Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and guess what? You guessed it, I am going to attempt to do Vlogtober. Let's give it a roll. Let's give it a shot, a college try. Let's see if we can vlog every day in the month of October. So the start of this Vlogtober is not going to be very exciting. I just figured if I'm going to do Vlogtober, I'm just going to vlog what I actually do around my house in a day. Unfortunately today for me, at this point in time, I have to do the dishes. So you don't need to see a sink full of dishes because that's what I have right now. But I thought I would, while I'm putting away my dishes and loading up my dishwasher, that's the one thing I'm really grateful for, is the fact that I have a really good dishwasher, and it's right here to the left of me. And yes, it actually is an electric plug-in. It's not a human, it's not another human that's doing the dishes for me, it's the dishwasher. I think you guys get the point. For October is probably going to be doing a lot of stuff around the house as far as cleaning, organizing, kind of getting everything like ready for the winter time. I have a bunch of like home improvement projects that are going to be going on that I'm pretty excited about. I have a meeting tomorrow with an electrician to go over some electrical needs that I have in the house. So it'll be exciting for me to share with him my little punch list of different things, different lighting that I want replaced and stuff like that. And maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of that, you know, later on, or after, maybe in tomorrow's vlog after I meet with him. I'll share with you guys some of the different things that we're looking at. My big problem I already know that I'm gonna have is that I have to pick out the lighting. That's what I struggle with the most. I hate making decisions like that and picking out things and stuff. I've created like a Pinterest board for inspiration. I kind of already know what I wanna do coloring wise, but when it comes to the lighting, that's what I'm struggling with right now at this point. So let me finish getting these dishes done, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, popping back on here. It's about lunchtime-ish for me, and so what I thought I'd do is I'm gonna be doing a little setup for a video that I'm actually going to record for the main channel. I have a recipe video that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now, and so I just haven't really been up to like recording a cooking video. Cooking videos are like difficult to record. There's, you know, different angles and making sure that you edit it so that they're not like really extremely long. But this video that I'm gonna do is it's an extremely easy recipe, and I want to share it with the world. I want to share it with the world. Many of you may not be familiar with it, so what I thought I would do is I would just show you guys kind of a little bit of like the behind the scenes as I'm recording it, the behind the scenes of getting this all set up to be able to record a cooking video. So right now I have, you're positioned obviously in my kitchen, and I've actually just replaced my one, I have this one cutting board that I don't really like for my videos because it's kind of marred up and stuff, and it doesn't really look that good on camera. I do have to go buy another cutting board. I just keep on forgetting to. So I removed that, I have this other cutting board that isn't as bad. It looks a little bit newer. It does have some nice knife marks, but I don't really, you know, that's not really a big deal. But I'm gonna set this down here and kind of line up, get out my ingredients, get things all measured up. There's not that many ingredients in this recipe, so that's good. Hello. Let's take a gander over to the fridge and get the ingredients that we're gonna need. So for this recipe, it takes Greek yogurt, string cheese. I'm gonna bring you over here. Hello, welcome back. And we're gonna dig out some, come on Joanne, what you have? And I have some flour, a metal pan, and you'll see why in a minute. And I also just realized that this also takes the air fryer, which I made bacon in my air fryer for my breakfast this morning. So I need to actually clean out my air fryer before I actually do this recipe. Let's get this washed. You don't need to watch this. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. All right, I'm back. And I have all my ingredients kind of laid out here. Let me just show you. Yes, if you guessed it, I'm going to make, like, it's basically 2-ingredient dough, and then adding some pizza sauce, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and some string cheese, which I'm going to shred up on cam for the video, and we're going to cook it in the air fryer. And it makes a really good pizza. So this is the video I'm going to be recording right now. The other thing that you will find that's interesting when it comes to a video like that is that you guys are going to see me cooking. You guys are the ones that see me cooking, and I have this like tie-dye shirt and my hair pulled back and stuff like that. But when I end up recording, see, and you can also probably hear my dishwasher running. Hold on a minute. I'm trying to get the dishes done. Okay, it stopped. But for the final video, you will probably see me in a different outfit, possibly some makeup on, my hair done, probably won't have the glasses on. Depends on when I end up actually recording the intro or outro. But all the face down type video, type part of the video that has to do with the cooking, I'm just gonna record now. So this is like the difficult part. I'm usually not on camera anyways when I record these shots. So it just becomes a matter of splicing out my intro, editing the cooking, putting in the outro, and then, you know, possibly finding some music if I need to in the editing phase before I make the thumbnail and then upload the video over on the main channel. So I will be back in a little bit. Maybe I'll let you guys see a little bit of progress footage as I'm recording this video. So I'll be back, guys, because I need this camera to actually record my cooking video. All right, vlog, I'm in between waiting for 30 more seconds to go off, which it just did. Timer done. I need to check on the dough to see if it's right for the next step of the process, but this is just I'm starting to get all sweaty. See, this is what happens when you record videos. You start sweating, you gotta damp off the sweat from your face, and this is why when I do cooking videos I like to stay off camera. Okay, only the vlog is getting to see this, so alright, I gotta go back to recording. Okay, vlog, so, you know, trial and error is ensuing here, making this pizza. I just started trying to record some information about what's going on with this, and I just said, you know what, I'm gonna have to edit it. I'm just gonna have to record it after the fact when, like tomorrow when I'm editing and I'm all ready to do my intro and outro, I'll have to edit and record some of this information that's happening. But basically, we're letting this go. Oops, I'm gonna have to go. We're letting this go for an additional 2 minutes. Like, it's a whole thing. You're just gonna have to go to the main channel and watch the video and watch how this pizza turns out, okay? Promise. It'll be worth your time. Okay, so I'm back from recording the pizza video, so I am going to eat my pizza for lunch. This is what it looks like. It is really good. Like, I'm serious when I tell you that the crust is nice and soft. And again, it's a personal pie. It's a personal size pizza, okay? Hot. But it's good. I'll probably save a piece of this so that I can edit maybe me taking a bite of it or something like that at the end of the video. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But that's exhausting. This is why I hate doing cooking videos, because they are so much work, and now I have to edit all that. I have to edit all that. It's good though, I'm telling you guys. 2 ingredients. Greek yogurt and flour in equal amounts. I think the thinner the crust, the better, in my opinion. And the smaller, that's why I like the personal size. Of course, for me, I'm just cooking for one. I don't have a lot of leftovers or anything like that. And I just put it in my air fryer. So it's like, don't have to heat up the oven. You know, I don't have to worry about a circle pizza not being able to fit into my toaster oven. So this is a really great solution. Also, side note, for anybody that's doing Weight Watchers, this like Greek yogurt and flour is like really good, like for points wise. I can't remember what they are. If I can look them up, I'll put them in the description box of this vlog, and I'll also put it in the description box of the video that ends up going up on the main channel. I'm not really doing the video as like a Weight Watcher meal, even though you can make it that way with like light cheese and put some more veggies on it or whatever. When I saw this, I just fell in love with the fact that it's just 2 ingredients, and I don't know if you can use regular yogurt. I don't know. Leave it in the comments below if anybody else knows. I just have always gotten Greek yogurt, and actually what I usually do is I usually buy the little half-cup containers, you know, the individual containers of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, so that, again, the dairy won't go to waste. They'll last longer. The only thing at Aldi's they had was those big containers, so I was stuck getting that big container. Now I gotta come up with a few more things to do with Greek yogurt, because I don't particularly like Greek yogurt just to eat. I will use it as some type of a sour cream though, or maybe make a dip out of it. So I probably will do something like that, I don't know. Any ideas of what else I can do with Greek yogurt, leave it in the comments below. And I'm realizing that I have my dishwasher still going now, and I'm sorry if it annoys you, but after I finish this lunch, I need to head back in the office and get some work done this afternoon. I also need to edit my Aldi video that I did the other day and get that edited and uploaded for you guys to watch. So by the time you guys watch this vlog, there will be an Aldi haul and like a shop with me uploaded over on the main channel, so make sure you go check that out if you haven't yet. But that I have to do that this afternoon, as I actually have to edit, put the pieces of that video together and get that uploaded and stuff on my channels. I think the rest of the night after work is I'm gonna be prepping for the 2-hour Big Brother like triple eviction. So probably by the time you guys see this video, I will have watched it, and maybe we can talk about it in the next vlog. Okay, let me check back with you guys later. You guys need to try these amazing cookies that I got at Aldi's. It is called Kitchen Sink Cookies by the company Bake Shop, and they are so fresh. I just can't explain to you how amazing these taste. They're so soft, and they just, oh my God, I can't say enough about them, seriously. That is what the label looks at, and it contains peanut butter, chocolate chunks, white chocolate, pretzels, coconut, like you name it, everything but everything, and the kitchen sink. Oh my God, I just love these cookies. We're just out taking Duders for a little walk, and they just got through paving my road, like down the whole area and inside of our cul-de-sac and all the side roads up to the main road, so that's kind of exciting. What's interesting is they actually covered right over. There used to be, I don't know if you guys remember in my vlogs, previous vlogs, that there was like a water drainage vent that they actually paved right over. Used to be from here to like here to go to all the drains. They paved right over it, so the road looks so much bigger. It's so October 1, and you can see we're still all pretty green. I don't know if you can see that. I do have one tree in my backyard that is starting to fall. I'm fighting the battle with my pool. My pool is not scheduled to be opened until, I believe, like the 16th. So, kind of stuck having to fight the battle of the leaves and keeping the pool as clean as possible until they can get to me and get my pool closed. So, you ready to turn around? Yeah, so here's the trees, so you see. So this is October 1, and we're still green. I'll try to give you guys an update each day so you can see how fast our trees turn in the neighborhood. Here's a sign of the times. How often would you guys see a face mask previous to this pandemic? Unfortunately, I'm not picking that up because, let's go, Duders, it was on somebody's face. Come on, Duders, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think Duders loves the new road, don't you, Duders? Hey guys, so I'm back and just kind of sitting at my desk in my office, and I need to finish up a few things and go through a pile of mail and stuff that I have to file, get things settled and finished for the day. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog today because I think it's extremely, extremely long. I probably won't be this long for the most part, but I wanna thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next vlog. Bye guys.